This is Grinder Mage, so I don't have that much early game. I should probably just keep the BJH and Water Mythal with the coin. I don't have another 2-drop if I coin out my Scientist. Oh, 2 BGHs. Alright. That's kind of weird. Okay, so I guess it means that he has the Owl here. That's pretty much the only way reason why you do this. He has a low amount of cards, so going first with that. Yeah. Duplicate, it's perfect here. I need some more minions. So I have like 2 BJHs, really situational cards, but since he's not going to have a giant for a while, because he didn't have a coin, so he pretty much doesn't have very many cards. I need a lot of Water Mentals to fight. This is good for me, because my Water Mentals can fight his fair creatures, like his non-giants, and even Drakes, whatever. It's only 4/5. That can save my BJH just for later.
My shield for Argus.
It's a pretty aggressive opening. Okay, that's pretty important for me to pick up. I didn't have a 4-drop, so... I like Tempo Mage a lot, actually. As well. I really like Flamewaker right now. I saved myself some life. I'm just gonna play this. He's already used 1 Argus and 1 Morcoil. Those are 2 cards I'm scared of playing this over the Water Mythal. Oh, them trolls.
I've got the beast in my sight.
Oh. Okay.
I've got the beast in my sight. Gotcha.
His AoE should clear these and not these, hopefully. I'll duplicate this. Alright, cool. Yeah, I want to duplicate my BJH. Didn't really work out though. But it's fine because he's actually Shadow Flamed the Molten Giant, so he doesn't have, like, I don't need the BJH as much. I've gotten Rag and Mountain and Molten. He probably doesn't have a second Molten. Probably double Water Chow, but actually this might be better because spare part. I probably should play Toshli first. There's not any reason for me to play it later. Usually, sometimes it makes sense to play it after Scientist for Duplicate. So if he AoEs for 7, I get another Toshli, but I've already used both duplicates, so... I don't actually know what Mech Mage Kanto has been playing so recently. I'm not too scared. Handlock with 1 Molten down and low amount of cards is very unscary. Like, Mountain Giants for like 10 mana and stuff, but Toy Drake's like 4 3s. Yeah, so this isn't really scary at all. I get 2 fireballs, but I don't really want to play Archmage here because of Siphon Soul. I'm just gonna play double Water Mythal and ping. Probably go face now. I'm so close to lethal. And 4-3 here. 4-2 is not a big difference. I think I want to have some board control with minions, and then play Archmage, so that even if he siphons, I have initiative still. I should have a good one here. Just reverse and switch this guy. I should just cycle for another fireball, so which one's better? I guess this is better. This guy's more likely to stick around since he has to kill Archmage here. So he'll probably devote his resources into killing Archmage. Now I'm trying to talk softly. I don't know why. I don't like Spire Tank. I mean, I don't like Hearthstone. Spire Tank, I like Spire Tank and Mage. Yeti is like, whatever. I don't like it that much. Yeah, he can't really, you can never feel good dropping minions into Archmage. They can just fireball your minions down that you drop. I think I get more damage by killing his minions, so not just going face with the fireballs. I mean, I think the issue is like he played Watcher Owl. It's really good against Tempo Mage because it kills Mad Scientist. I mean, not Mad Scientist. It kills Sorcerer Apprentice and Mana Worm, but against this, it's not very good. Especially if he's going first. With the coin, I think it's still good to play it against me like that. It's like a Flame Strike. It's not just a Flame Strike; it's even better because it wastes his Mirror Tea as well as like a Flame Strike for 4 mana. It's not technically not Flame Strike; it's more like Hellfire 2-way. But at that time, I didn't have a board, so. These BHHs, they're like doing work. I even got the BHH at 5-4 because of the spare parts I got from Toshly. BHH is a really good card, and especially for a grinder mage winning on like resource advantage and things like that, it's really nice to have 2 BHHs. Like one of the problems with grinder mage is that a lot of your mid-range minions are 3x, not like they're like more health than attack. So Warmorthal's 3-6, Belcher's 3-5, Toshly is like 5-7. So they're like hard to kill, but they're not good at trading for minions. That like big minions like giants, you know, like you'd rather have a 6-3 than a 3-6 trading against the giant, for example. So a problem is you trade really badly against 7-7s and things like that with your mid-range stuff. So that's why you really need 2 BJHs, I think. Zombie Chow's in my room because like you don't care about their life in this deck. You're a super late game grindy deck. You don't care about the life gain for Zombie Chow, and you don't have that many spells to make Mana Worm worth it more. I wish I had one of the minions as one of the secrets as duplicate. I'm still pinging him instead of this guy. I don't care his armor that much as far as like killing him, but I want to peel his armor for shield slam a little bit. And pinging this I don't think is relevant. If one was duplicate, I'd be in pretty good shape because I can just maybe pass next turn and play Sylvanas with duplicate. But this is kind of weird.
What now?
Setting up for I mean, for Belcher is one thing. This could be Grim Patron or something. Might be setting up for a patron. What, really?
Let the pain speak to me.
Well, this is not looking good. I might have to just drop Swans into this, I'm not sure. I could technically leave this up and try to drop Sylvanas into a bigger minion here. Like, it doesn't feel so bad for him to just trade both into it and Executor or shield slam or even weapon. I guess I'm gonna wait. With my hand, I need to play really efficiently.
Back to work.
It's not even that bad for me because I get to ping it now. I gotta play this game using my health as a resource and play this game really card efficient with how my hand played out. I really like taking tempo in this match with a duplicate and like water mental or any mid-range minion. Water mental, sludge filter, Toshli, Sylvanas, but this doesn't really trade that bad with this board. It gets a little bit worse if you can use the 2-2 to kill the slime, but he can't really do that for now. Okay. Probably kill a Boombot first before dropping BJH. Maybe both Boombots. Alright, let's...
I've got the beast in my sight.
It gives me a chance of duplicating BGH, which it's probably not a great thing, but I need to do this anyways to develop my duplicate for Sylvanas. Like, it might not work out like that. It's pretty random how this will work out. And they might not know either, so we'll see.
Back to work.
Okay, this is good for me. Now I can get my duplicate out.
I have no time for games.
Does it have an owl or something? Yeah, because targeting it. He wouldn't be targeting it with a shield, trying to kill a shield slam because I would just steal this guy. I mean, I'm actually really resilient to Alexstrasza right now, and like just him going face. So my hand's actually pretty good in this situation. Probably just swarming with Sylvanas's or something, even though it's not that efficient here either. At least it forced the trade. He can't like shield slam Sylvanas. Okay. I'm even a little bit worried about this over Sylvanas because he can kill this guy. The only reason why I'm doing this is I have a lot of ways to heal and come back from Alex. Because this is just vulnerable to Shield Slam or Execute if he has somehow one way to do 1 damage and just pressure me hard with this. Sylvanas forces a trade, but it's kind of inefficient to play Sylvanas here. If I didn't have so much like healing, I probably may do it the other way. Oh, that still doesn't make that much sense.
What to do? What to do?
It's hard for me to draw songs so I can die. I don't want to double heal bot because then he can Alex me after double heal bot. Like a heal bot 30, Alex me down 15, then I'm dead like that. I need to save 1 still. Water Mental's pretty good here. I still Sylvanas taunt if it comes down to it, but what I'm scared of is if he leaves himself with 1 minion and is able to clear my board over and over again. Because the moment he drops 2nd minion, I can drop Sylvanas easily. I might have to next turn anyways.
I have no time for games.
I don't really want to waste this heal bot before Alex, and it's way too easy for him to remove it.
I can take the hit.
I
That's pretty good.
I have no time for games.
Drink with me, friend.
Oh, interesting. He's that kind of deck. I guess that probably doesn't matter that much.
Let none survive.
I do need to hit some very specific cards soon. Like, I think I really need my second duplicate and Watermental or Sludge Belcher, some kind of mid-range minion, because eventually I want to die to those bombs. I mean, I can heal bot them, kind of. He also had a chance to just YOLO it, hit me down low and hope I die.
I have no time for games.
I should be able to kill my own Sylvanas here. Oh yeah, I mean that's easy. Just ping my own Sylvanas and then it'll die.
Let none survive.
I'm gonna hold my cards here. I still want to save the heal bot. Well, also most of my minions will die to the Baron if I drop them, and I want to save Rusty Horn for a better situation because he's already used 3 of his 4 weapons. Actually, 4 of his 4 weapons. So I was scared of like just Deathbite to the face and pass. That way, like I really want a Rusty Horn, but until now, I don't need minions. I think I need to give up and heal. I'm not sure. Do I need to heal? Grom kills me. Ah, he's already used 2 cruels. Because I can just ping this, and then it'll die. I'll steal this dude. Maybe play heal bot here.
Let none survive.
I don't want to play Rag. Because of, you know, it'll kill it sometimes. I'm kind of scared of Alex if I do this. I don't think he can kill me anyways. But it's like a tempo thing. Because if I want to play Rag next turn, I can't play heal bot next turn too. So I'm going to play it because of that reason. I also don't want to overcommit to Brawl. Right now, I still on that plan. Oh, no mind. 20% every turn to die. I don't have any more healing, I think. Let's do this, actually. I don't think I need a taunt because if I die, it's probably to the mine now. He's already used Grom and 4 weapons, so I don't know if he can actually kill me with charge damage anymore. I got a 4, 44 Mage from Hot Shame, 13, 49. Hey, your Mage deck helped me climb a lot. Do want to ask though, why Baron I skin 1 Argus. What's the reason you get on 2 Fireball? Baron is, I think like, it's like a really big comeback card. If you ever Flame Strike to clear the board, you don't have anything left over. Against a lot of tempo decks like Zoo and stuff, like your win condition is really either running the amount of cards, but more importantly, like if you can somehow take tempo, like killer stuff, and have something left over, you generally will win. So it's like, that's like the reason why. And Argus, like you don't have a lot of low drops. It's kind of gimmicky Argus, so you're almost never going to play on turn 4.
I must protect the wild.
You asked for it.
And no fireballs because it's not that useful. You almost win every game from running them out of resources and taking tempo and winning the last creature standing kind of thing. Fireball, like you don't really need a fireball face ever in this deck, so it's like too much of a risk of being a dead card. My hand is really good with coin and double water elemental. The only thing that could have been better is hitting a mad scientist. Zombie Chow, I guess, would have been nice. That's not as important though. Getting at the duplicate for mad scientist would have been really sick though. I'm not even sure if I trade here or just go face. I guess I'd trade. Because I'm pretty far away. Like, if I'm closer to turn 7 for Flame Strike, I would definitely just go face. Because then he has to trade, because then he's leaving up my board after getting Flame Strike. That's the big difference between a one-way AoE and a two-way AoE. Like Hellfire, you don't... That's why Shadow Flame is so scary for Handlock. That's like, Shadow Flame is like the reason why you can't raise Handlock either. It's not because of Hellfire, but... I'm really far from that, so...
I must safeguard the land.
Oh, that would have been good next turn. I guess I don't really have anything great to do here, but to set up for my Flame Strike. Actually, this is better because this sets me up for Baron Geddon as well, so I have 2 options next turn. I can either Flame Strike or Baron Geddon. I think this makes Geddon better than Flame Strike, because I'm leaving a 5-1 with Flame Strike, whereas I'm leaving like 7 power. It should be better, because I get develop a minion as well. I have kind of Flame Strike set for next turn. I might be able to do Rag, I don't know. I don't know if this will bait out BJH or not. Like if he has. If BJH, I'd definitely have to Flame Strike. Otherwise, yeah, if he trades the 5-3 into it, probably Ragnaros. This one is actually probably going to be a...
I've got the beast in my sight.
BGH here. I'm prioritizing the minion over playing Ice Barrier. I think I might be okay with my amount of life right now. He can combo, but he can't do 27 with this combo.
I must safeguard the land.
I don't even know if I can play around combo. I think I'm dead to combo. This is 20 damage comboing Shredder. 24, 25, 26, 20, 27 damage. Oh, if I can kill something. Yeah, I think I have to do this. I would duplicate down as well. I'm not really getting anywhere with Flame Strikes and Polymorphs here. Because once I take initiative, if I just Flame Strike or Polymorph, you can replay next turn some minions. I'm still like in the same spot next turn. He doesn't have like... Sometimes if they have like very little amount of cards, they like run out of minions next turn or something. At least they have combo.
Where shall I play?
I should have played this first. In case of Low Rocket Cho. Although technically I don't care about giving Ice Bear that much.
Who dares defy this ancient land?
I can probably double Polymorph here and ping. Ragnaros, if it hits face or hits this, I'm kind of dead. Even if it's one of these. He's sucking so much. Like I don't think it's possible for him not to have Savage Roar soon.
I have no time for games.
I don't know what the Illuminati Eye was all about. I saw the video though.